is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Once again, we are back here in the garage with another vehicle to work on. Not too bad of a dent. It's a pretty cool car. It's someone I met at car shows and kind of know, so he had a little issue. I guess someone backed up into him or something like that. But I'll show you what we have. It's a Nissan 300ZX, and you can see in this door here, it's kind of flattened out, little scuff in the paint. Kind of goes into that body line, but not too bad of a dent. But the issue we had was he actually took the door panel off for me, which was nice, saves me a lot of time seeing what we can do access wise. And you can see in here, I mentioned this in my last video about these classic cars, their bracing is really big. So you can see it goes all the way down to there and all the way up to there. What we're going to do is probably sneak in this way with the whale tail and then go up under the bracing that way. It will be a little awkward because I'll be working the dent like back towards myself. So I'll have the tool up front and then kind of working back towards myself. We'll be sitting on the ground. So it might be a little awkward, you know, the way we're going to have to access it, but it shouldn't be too bad of a dent. But we'll take you along with us as we do this one, see how this thing turns out. So let's get going. We are all finished up. It came out really nice. Hopefully I got some good footage of the dent being taken out. It was a little hard to get the right angle on it with it being down low, and it was more of like a shallow dent, so I had a hard time focusing with the camera. But hopefully I got some footage for you guys that you could see it, that dent being removed. But I'll show you the results here. It came out really nice. You can see there's no more dent. That body line looks good in there. Everything came out really nice. He had a couple other little shallow dents here and there that we worked, and it came out nice. And some of that scratch I couldn't get out. It's really in the paint. Maybe with a good wet sanding detail, something like that, he might be able to get some more of that scratch out. But he was really worried about the dent. I think it came out nice. I think he's going to be really happy with that. It was a little awkward working it, you know, sitting down low, and you could only hold a tool one way, and you're just, you know, tweaking that whale tail one way. So it kind of made your arm a little tired. You had to kind of move around, you know, maybe take a little break and then get back to it. But it came out nice. Hopefully you guys liked the video. I know it might be a short one, but figured why not share it. So if you can, like, subscribe to the channel. We'll do more videos and we'll catch you next time.